Hey lovely people, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you all my experience using flaxseed gel on my hair for the first time. This is definitely not a tutorial. This was a trial error for me. It was a lot of trial and error with me making this flaxseed gel. It wasn't the easiest. It was quite a bit messy for me. So this is definitely not a tutorial, but I'm just showing you all how I went ahead and made it, just briefly showing you. If you would like to know exactly how to make this gel, I'll be sure to do a separate actual tutorial, but since this was my first time making it, it was a mess. I can't even lie, it was a mess in the beginning, but the gel did come out to a perfect consistency. It's just that when it was time for me to filter out the seeds, the stocking that I used was way too thick and it wasn't really filtering properly. So that really made it like really a messy process, and I ended up getting some flax seeds in my in the gel. But anyways, I'm just briefly showing you the process of me making the gel itself. All right, so this was my little stocking that I cut out. I had to improvise, you all, because I did not feel like going to the beauty supply store. So this is where it got a little bit messy, because as you all can see, the water just kind of overflowed and it just was a mess. But of course I had to cut that out because it was a mess, y'all. But here I am trying to squeeze out some of that gel, and like I said, some of the seeds did get into the gel, which I ended up having to try to take out with a spoon. But it still came out to a nice consistency nevertheless. I'm just showing you all the mixture here that I'm working with. It's nice and it has so much slip, you all. This is actually my first time, but I was just so surprised and like so astonished by how much slip the flaxseed gel has. Now I have heard of the benefits of flaxseed. One, it's great for pre-poo as it can help moisturize the hair. It helps to add shine to the hair. It helps promote growth, and it also can add moisture to the hair, if I didn't already say that. So this is my hair after a 5-week protective style. So my hair is pretty tangly, very, very tangly. So here I am taking out my hair bands. I had about 3 or 4 in there. Let's see if you guys can keep count of how many bands I had in my hair. It's not even funny. But here I am just taking those bands out. Like I said, my hair was 5 weeks old. I took out a 5-week-old protective style. And my hair was super duper tangly because I had mini twists in my hair. And I washed my mini twist and dried it, like air dried it, and my hair just shriveled up so much to the point where I experienced tangles and single strand knots. So I definitely needed a great pre-poo session and detangling session prior to even washing my hair. So here I am unraveling the twist, and I'm just separating my strands because they do tend to clump together. All right, so here I am, you all, taking some warm water, and I'm just spraying that on my hair prior to applying the flaxseed gel, just making sure my hair is fairly wet with this water. And then I'll just rake that water on through to help coat all of my strands. And then I'll go ahead and take a glob, because that's literally what it is, a glob of the flaxseed gel, and apply it to my hair. Now I didn't have an applicator bottle, so I just went ahead and just used the bowl and just apply it to my hair. And upon me applying it, I noticed how well it lathered on my hair. Like, it just had so much slip, and I was just loving it. So I was just raking it on through. Like I said, my hair was pretty tangled, so this would definitely so this flaxseed gel was definitely put to work, because my hair was at the worst at this point. But here I am taking my wide tooth comb, and I am of course starting from the ends just to see how well that flaxseed gel helped to detangle my hair, and I must say it did a pretty good job considering that my hair was extremely tangled. Yeah, extremely tangled, had shriveled up so much, and I liked it. I like it as a pre-poo because it helped me to detangle my hair. So, I know it may look like I'm being a little rough, but my hair, I had experienced like a lot of shedding, not a shedding, but like just regular shedding, of course, because I had my protective style in for 5 weeks. So there was that. And then also, like I said, my hair had shriveled up so much because I ended up washing my mini twist and leaving it to air dry. And of course, air drying my type of hair, or my texture of hair, is just not the best. Not the best. That is a recipe for all type of knots, both big and small. So I obviously had to pay the price for that, and I did unfortunately experience a lot of unnecessary breakage as a result. But fortunately, the flaxseed gel did assist with providing a great amount of slip to my hair to help reduce any more unnecessary breakage. So it's definitely recommended that if you are doing like a long-term protective style, it's best to detangle and pre-poo your hair prior to washing your hair. You don't have to do it every wash day, but if you know for certain not for certain, but if you have done a long-term protective style, you definitely want to pre-poo and detangle prior to washing your hair, just to help eliminate the unnecessary amount of breakage and tangles, because all washing your hair is going to do is make the tangles worse if you don't already detangle it prior. So this is a great pre-poo to help detangle your hair. I was so used to using the African Pride pre-poo, which I still love to this day. It has great slip as well. But now that I have flaxseed, I will definitely be utilizing it and using it as my pre-poo because I like the way it has worked on my hair. All right, y'all. So y'all see that definition, and I most definitely had a flaxseed in my hair. But y'all see that definition that the flaxseed gel is providing me, even though I'm not trying to do like a wash and go or anything. It definitely does help to eliminate frizz and define those curls. So I just wanted to show you all that and point that out to you all. All right, y'all, so I finally finished detangling my hair and just showing you all the amount of shed hair I received from this little detangling session, which is not that bad considering that I had my protective style in for 5 weeks. So right after this video, I did go ahead and wash my hair. As you all can see, my hair looks better, more detangled, and it's ready to be washed. So I thank you all so much for watching this video. Please let me know what you all use to pre-poo your hair. Have you ever tried flaxseed gel before, and what was your experience with it? I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace and blessings.